Hello students, how are you all? Today I am going to deal second chapter of poetry section for class 9 students, and the title of the poem is The Cold Within, written by James Patrick Kinney. Before we start the poem, let's have a look about Kinney. James Patrick Kinney is an American poet who wrote this poem in the 1960s. Although it was first rejected as being too controversial, the poem has been rejected as being too controversial, but this poem gained popularity rapidly after it had been read out at a council meeting of all religions. So, let us start the poem. See the lines. This is the first stanza of the poem. The poem Cold Within by James Patrick Kinney consists of 8 stanzas of 4 lines each, and we are going to deal the first stanza. 6 humans trapped by happenstance. Before the explanation, let me show you something. Students, here you can see I have tried to draw something, and I am not a very good artist, you know that. My drawing is very poor. This I have tried to draw the fire and 6 people sitting around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all holding a stick in their hand. Okay? And the 6 people, first is the white woman, next is the dogmatic or rigid man, rigid about the church. Third one is the poor man. Fourth one is the rich man. Fifth is the black man. And sixth is a selfish man. Before I explain, students, just I will give you some idea about the poem. Kinney wrote the poem The Cold Within to expose the damage humanity does to itself by discriminating, expressing outrage against one another. So, with the current atmosphere of intolerance and prejudice, hatred, this poem is more relevant today. And this poem reminds us to adopt a temperament of acceptance, love and goodness. So, let's begin with the poem. 6 humans trapped by happenstance in the bleak and bitter cold. Each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story is told. Before I explain you all the 4 lines, just see the last line of this stanza. Or the story is told means Kinney himself had heard this story from someone else. Means this is not a first hand poem or a first hand writing. The Cold Within is a narrative poem. Okay, it narrates a story. So it has been passed through generations. Kinney heard it and decided to write down that has been heard. Understood? So as the story is told. Now, 6 human, you can see the very first words, 6 humans, not people. So, this use of human marks out their individuality, and it is a gathering of specific individuals, not a collective group. Then you see the word trapped. Trapped means to fall in a dangerous situation. It gives a sense that they are in a kind of some trouble or misery. Next is happenstance. Happenstance means accidentally, coincidence. Then see the word bleak and bitter. Bleak and bitter refers to something ominous. You can write down the spelling O-M-I-N-O-U-S, ominous. Not only bleak and bitter cold suggest ominous situation, but all the words like trapped, happenstance, bleak and bitter, cold, these refer to the ominous situation. Now first you understand what do you mean by ominous. The word ominous suggests that some bad things will happen soon. So you just try to imagine the word bleak and bitter. Bleak is a sense when there is no sunlight. Everywhere when darkness prevails. For example, in some of the European countries like Canada, when there is no sunlight for so many days or months. So imagine this kind of situation. And then next line, each one possessed a stick of wood. So the stick of wood has some literal and symbolic meanings. Literally, it means that something which is capable of producing fire. Means the stick of wood can be used to save them from the cold condition. And what is the symbolic meaning? Symbolic meaning, it shows the position that they were the owners of only one belonging. They had only one position, that is a log of stick, a stick in their hand. So students, each stanza present a person who has different prejudice against someone else around the fire. When you will go through the poem, you will find that all the 6 men make the same decision and all pay the same price for that decision. And what's the decision? Decision you will find of not giving their sticks. And what will be their price? Price will be the ultimate death. Now, so the 6 humans were trapped, had fallen in a dangerous situation by chance or accidentally in a very bleak and cold weather or severe bitter cold. Each one possessed a stick, and this indicates that all of them had fallen in an uncomfortable situation in the life of people it talks about. Now, the next stanza. Their dying fire in need of logs, but the first one held her back of the faces around the fire. She noticed one was black. Already I have shown you, students, that who was the first one? The white lady, the white woman. Now, the stanza reveals that the white woman holds her log back because she doesn't want to share the fire and its warmth with one of them who is black. Now, one of the persons sitting over there is black. Thus, the kind of prejudice is a racial prejudice. Means the poet speaks of a racial prejudice here in this stanza. The word fire basically symbolizes the basic spirit of humanity and harmony. Now, underlying in the social, cultural activities of existence, dying may be explained as the poor state of social relationship due to the prevalence of negative values and feelings. So basically the poet is not talking about only the dying fire. The poet is talking about the biased nature in the heart of those people. So the second stanza conveys a sense of racism. Racism was very much prevalent in America in those days. The white woman didn't want to save that black man, even putting her own life at risk. Now come to the third stanza. The next man looking across the way saw one not of his church and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch. Underline birch. Birch is a thin leaf of a hardwood tree, a thin kind of stick. So the second man is a dogmatic or a rigid about the church, rigid about his religious beliefs. The word church refers that he is a religious minded man. The second man is rigid about the differences between Catholic or the Protestants, the two arms of the church. So the next man also saw around the other 5 people and found that there was someone who didn't belong to his church, who didn't belong to his religious order. So here we will find religious prejudice. So students, in the second and third stanza, we learn that the fire of compassion, the fire of sympathy, love in their hearts was dying. To keep burning, what they need is a log of wood. Means here a log of love for each other. Thus, you can say that each of them died from the cold within. I shall explain the next stanzas in my next video. Read these 3 stanzas properly. Thank you.